Have you ever wondered if your cat truly understands what you are saying? They might not comprehend human language the way we do. They are masters at reading our tone, pitch, and energy. Let us explore the 9 specific words and vocalizations that can touch your cat's heart, and the fascinating science behind why they work so incredibly well. The very first word that holds immense power over your cat is their own name, but only when spoken with a very specific rising inflection. To a cat, their name is not just a label. It is a direct signal that they are the center of your attention. When you say your cat's name, you should always use a higher-pitched, cheerful tone that sweeps upward at the end. In the feline world, high-pitched sounds are associated with safety, youth, and positive excitement. This mimics the high-pitched vocalizations of mother cats comforting their kittens. If you call your cat's name in a flat, monotone voice, or worse, a deep, stern voice, they may perceive it as a threat or simply ignore you. As that sweet, rising pitch, you will notice their ears immediately rotate toward you, and they might even give you a soft, questioning meow in response. It is a simple word, but when delivered with love, it instantly reassures your cat that they are safe, noticed, and deeply cherished. The second word is not just a word, but a sacred promise of safety. And that is a whispered, slow-spoken, "I love you." For this to truly touch your cat's heart, you must combine the vocalization with the ultimate sign of feline affection, the slow blink. In the wild, closing one's eyes in the presence of another predator is a sign of ultimate vulnerability. When your cat looks at you and slowly closes and opens their eyes, they are telling you that they trust you with their life. By whispering a soft, gentle "I love you" while looking into their eyes and performing a slow, deliberate blink, you are speaking their native language of love. A whisper is crucial here because cats have incredibly sensitive hearing. A loud, booming declaration of love can startle them, but a soft, warm whisper mimics the gentle rustle of a mother cat's breath. When you pair this whispered phrase with the slow blink, watch how your cat reacts. They will often mimic the blink back to you, purr softly, or even stretch out their paws in complete relaxation. Our third word is one that every cat owner knows, but its psychological impact on your cat is truly profound. And that word is treat, or whatever specific word you use for their favorite snack, like yummy. This word is a masterclass in classical conditioning, but it goes far deeper than just a physical reward.
Yummy.
You consistently
Yummy.
say this word
Yummy.
right before offering a delicious reward, your cat's brain releases a rush of dopamine, the chemical associated with pleasure and anticipation. Over time, the mere sound of the word itself begins to trigger feelings of intense joy, security, and excitement. But the magic happens in how you deliver it. When you say this word, make sure you do so with a playful, melodic rhythm. It is not just about the food. It is about the shared moment of joy and the mutual understanding between the two of you. The fourth word is a soothing anchor for your cat during times of stress. And that word is "it is okay." Or a soft, rhythmic safe. A sudden loud noise, a trip to the vet, or a stranger entering the house can easily send their nervous system into fight or flight mode. During these moments of anxiety, your cat looks to you, their primary caregiver, to gauge whether they are in danger. If you speak to them in a low, steady, rhythmic, and deeply calm voice, saying, "it is okay," this low, continuous drone mimics the comforting, low-frequency purr of a mother cat keeping her kittens calm. When you say this, keep your breathing slow and deep, as cats can sense your heart rate and respiration. Hearing you speak these comforting words in a steady, unbothered tone tells your cat's nervous system that the danger is artificial, and that they are completely protected in your care.
Our fifth word is a powerful tool for building their confidence, and that is a warm, enthusiastic, good kitty.
Your cat uses their scratching post instead of your sofa, or when they use their litter box perfectly, saying good kitty in a bright, praising tone makes a massive difference. When we praise our cats, our facial muscles relax, our pupils soften, and we project an aura of genuine warmth. Cats are incredibly skilled at reading human micro-expressions and body language. When they hear that sweet, appreciative tone, accompanied by a relaxed posture, it boosts their confidence and strengthens their bond with you. The sixth word is a delightful, friendly greeting, like hello or hi there, spoken in a chirpy, high-frequency tone. When you walk into a room where your cat is resting, or when you first wake up in the morning, greeting them with a the chirpy hello mimics a very specific feline vocalization known as the trill. A trill is a high-pitched, rolled sound that mother cats use to greet their kittens or to tell them to follow her. When humans use a bright, friendly greeting, cats interpret it as a peaceful, loving salutation. It signals to them that your approach is friendly and that you have no aggressive intentions. If you watch your cat closely when you greet them this way, you will often see them lift their tail straight up in the air. This tail position is the ultimate sign of a happy, confident, and friendly cat who is absolutely thrilled to see you. Our seventh word is designed to activate your cat's natural curiosity and playful spirit, and that phrase is, "What is that?" or "play." When you say,
What is that?
in an inquisitive, excited, and slightly whispered tone, you are activating what animal behaviorists call their seeking system. This is the part of their brain that gets excited about investigating new things, hunting, and playing. By using a curious, rising tone, you pique their interest and invite them to share an adventure with you. Whether you are about to pull out a feather wand, toss a catnip mouse, or simply show them a safe cardboard box, using this phrase creates a sense of shared mystery and excitement. It keeps their mind sharp and builds a playful, dynamic friendship between the two of you. The eighth word is all about co-regulation and relaxation, and that word is sleepy. When you speak in this slow, yawning cadence, it mimics the calm, sleepy energy of a mother cat settling down in the nest with her litter. It signals to your cat that the day's activities are over, the territory is secure, and it is safe to let their guard down and drift off into a peaceful sleep. You will often find that saying these words in a quiet, slow manner will cause your cat to stretch, yawn, and curl up right next to you, matching your peaceful energy. Ninth and final word is a gentle, soft-spoken. This might sound unusual, but saying thank you to your cat is about acknowledging the beautiful, quiet moments of connection they offer you. When your cat brings you their favorite toy, when they come to sit on your lap, or when they gently headbutt your hand, by responding with a soft, gentle thank you, you are acknowledging their social gesture. You verbally acknowledge these gestures with a soft, appreciative tone. You are participating in this social contract. It shows your cat that their affection is received, valued, and reciprocated, creating a deep loop of mutual respect and love that defines the bond between a cat and their human. Talking to your cat using these 9 words and vocal concepts is about far more than just the sounds that leave your mouth. Cats do not just hear with their ears. They feel with their entire beings. They read your posture, your breathing, your facial expressions, and the pitch of your voice to understand your heart. By choosing to speak to them in a way that respects their sensitive nature and mimics their natural communication styles, you tear down the invisible barrier between human and animal. You show them that you are not just a food provider, but a true companion, a protector, and their ultimate safe haven in this big, noisy world.
I love
So,
you.
the next time you look at your beautiful
okay.
feline friend, try using these words.
Speak to them with a high-pitched, rising name call. Whisper a slow blinked, I love you. Offer a comforting, it is okay. And watch what happens.
You will see a spark of deep understanding in their eyes, a gentle purr vibrating through their chest, and a profound connection that will warm both of your hearts for many beautiful years to come.
Try one of these words tonight and subscribe for more ways to speak your cat's language.